personal charge to be, as you spoke so eloquently about, is how do I mobilize my personal interest at the intersection of art and environment into this new setting where it's not inherent, and make that a little bit more present for folks who might not have it in their everyday.
A lot of artists right now, are using the city as their studio and are using temporary overgrown lots as a source of research.
But how do artists get access? I think it's something that's, you know, if you've been around the city for a while, you kind of understand how to maybe work your way into situations.
So art is a way to access nature, but nature itself, if we're talking about local, place-based, that's what is really sticking with people.
It made a difference to come out to the park. It made a difference.
Why do people and plants move? It's because our nutrition, it's because these are the medicinals, this is our medicines. And those themes resonated much, much deeper with that community than talking about environmental issues. It comes from a place of relationship.
So we really have to break out of that data-driven, fact-based, information-providing model, and we have to focus on the experience and on the place and on the truth that the students are observing as opposed to the truth that we want to impart on them.
A feeling of responsibility for those places, that you're not only, you know, expecting that nature will always be there, but you're realizing that through your through everything that you're doing when you're not paying attention to those places, you're, you know, imperiling the existence of something called nature.
What other sites that have been damaged, like brownfields and landfills, how we can reimagine their futures to create new public space like Fresh Hills.
How do I help every single person that goes through a public school in New York City? How do I help them to capture that feeling like you were mentioning? Absolutely agree.
But to actually have the living earth within the city means it's one of our neighbors. And I think that's what's very powerful about New York City. It's the most of any city in the world that includes the earth.